Why smoothie bowls make a great breakfast.
The smoothie bowls offer a delicious and convenient way to start your day. They combine fruits, vegetables, and nutritious add-ins into a filling meal. With endless customization options, they suit any taste or dietary need. Smoothie bowls are fast to prepare, packed with vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats, helping you stay energized and satisfied throughout the morning.
Building a nutritious smoothie bowl base.
Begin with a thick base. Blend frozen fruits like bananas, berries, or mango with a small amount of your favorite liquid, such as almond milk, Greek yogurt, or coconut water. Add leafy greens for a nutrient boost, or a scoop of protein powder for staying power. Aim for a creamy, spoonable texture, thicker than a regular smoothie.
Toppings for taste and nutrition.
Top your smoothie bowl with a variety of textures and flavors. Sprinkle on granola, nuts, and seeds for crunch and healthy fats. Add fresh fruits for natural sweetness and fiber. Coconut flakes, chia seeds, or a drizzle of nut butter make it even more satisfying. Toppings turn your bowl into a balanced, visually appealing meal.
Customizing for dietary needs.
Smoothie bowls are easy to adapt, ideal for gluten-free, vegan, or dairy-free diets. Choose plant-based milk and yogurt alternatives, or add pea protein for vegan options. Avoid added sugars by using unsweetened ingredients. For a lower-carb version, use less fruit and more greens like spinach or kale. Personalize each bowl to match your wellness goals.
Quick tips for busy mornings.
Prep ingredients in advance by portioning frozen fruits and greens into freezer bags. In the morning, blend with your liquid of choice for a fast, nourishing breakfast. Pre-chop toppings, or keep jars of seeds and nuts handy. With just a few minutes of prep, you'll have a healthy, customizable smoothie bowl ready to enjoy any day.